Hello, this is Renee from 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 11. And today we're going to cover membership perks. You know, this may seem obvious to some, but not to everybody. Most people struggle with knowing, what do I offer with my membership? What can I give somebody every month that makes it worth their while for them to say, hey, it's great, I want to pay 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100 a month for this service. So what can I include? What are the benefits or perks that might make sense for me to offer? So we're going to give you some ideas today on instant perks, things people can get immediately the minute they sign up and get access. They can have access to right away. So this is some ideas and examples of some. You don't have to do them all. In fact, I recommend that you don't do them all because they might be too much or too confusing. But I would recommend that you pick a few that makes sense for you, that you want to do and you think people will benefit from in your membership. So here's just a few. One is video tutorials. So you may actually just create a few video tutorials on the subject matter that you're an expert for, that you think will help people. Another one could be audio tracks. It doesn't just have to be video. Some people create meditation tracks. It's all kinds of things. So sometimes it makes sense to consume something just as audio format. So that's where that could make sense. Any different types of file downloads that they can get access to and start using right away. Perhaps a mini course that you can create that they can have access to. Maybe an ebook, maybe a book you've written before and you want to give it to them in a downloadable format, some sort of book. Or maybe workbooks that they can work through. Maybe the material that you're talking about, something they can it's another type of file download, I guess, but something they can work through while they're learning the material that you're covering in this membership. So again, these are instant perks, something they can have access to immediately. So these are just some ideas for you of what would make sense. We're going to have more ideas for you on perks in the next tips, but these are it for this tip. And like I said again, pick the ones that make sense for you. They may all make sense. Hopefully not, but pick a couple, two or three that you say, hey, these are great for me as perks that people actually will want and will benefit from, that I can create for them. So with that, good luck and see you on the next tip.